I'm back working on the dry blower. That's the output conveyor. The grizzly, which will have piano wire between each of those bars, and the bin, and the trays will go on that bottom bin. Constant air, this one, so there's a fan there, run off the little Honda. Alternator, because if I want to run electric vibrators, I can run 12 volt vibrators. Up the top we're having a wobble shaft, which is in the lathe at the moment. I'm just doing the eccentrics and the shaft for that. It's going to wobble alright because that piece of bright bar was meant to be round and it's, oh sorry, straight, but it's a long way from it, never mind. The 50:1 gear ratio down to the conveyor belt. The other end of the conveyor belt will run a crank to operate the shutter that works out how much dirt lands in the trays, and that's about it. So I'm back on this now because I got my aircraft license on the weekend, so that's one thing out of the way. So back to the dry blower.